I'm Evan Finch with Power-Tek Group.
And I'm Kurtis Henderson.
And we are going to be discussing the eye protection right now. So, we'll go over a few different types of glasses and the aspects of them and how you would wear them and when you would wear them, where you would wear them, all the who, whats, whens, wheres, and whys of them. So, Kurtis, go ahead and start with the those have a special little gasket.
Yes, so these ones are perfect. They have a gasket around the edge. So if you're in a tight jam, you're drilling a hole right above your head, or there's a lot of dust in the air, it makes a nice tight seal. Just keeps the debris out of your eyes.
Nice for dust, yeah.
Yeah, it's got the band too, so it gets right nice and
tight to your face.
Yeah.
Keeps that like gasket seal around your skin. There you go. And it's got the adjustment straps on the side. You can loosen
it. It's right tight. And there we go. No dust is getting in there.
Yeah, they can go right around your hard hat too.
Yeah, exactly.
Those are nice, definitely for dust. Now these are a set of clear, just standard safety glasses. This is for, it's not going to give you optimum protection, but it'll stop things from going straight into your eyes. But the problem with these is like you don't have the gaskets like those, so you got like a little gap where you're depending on your eyelashes and your eyebrows to stop anything going there. That's not as effective as the a rubber seal. So you're going to get dust getting in there. You're going to get potentially filings if you're drilling above your head, metal filings go in there and hit your eyes. So there's some protection, but definitely not as good as those. They're not optimal, but they're better than nothing. Better than the safety squint.
Yeah, you don't want to get a piece of metal in the eye.
No,
I've got it twice.
Yeah, no, it's not nice.
I wear my goggles and they still find a way.
The problem with the metal filings is they're very hot. So if they get into your eye, they melt into it before they cool down. So it's not a nice procedure.
You gotta scrape it off with a needle, guys. So wear your eye protection.
Wear your eye protection always when you're drilling, cutting, working around dust. These are a must-have. At least the minimum these all the time when you're working construction. You always want to assess the area you're working. So anywhere you go, you look around, look at the potential hazards. Say, I got to work here. What can affect me? I see a potential eye hazard there. I got to move this tile, so there's going to be dust falling down. Or I'm going to be going up in the ceiling. There's a lot of pencil rod up there. There could be sharp points poking out, or tie wraps where they're cut off sharp. Lots of sharp objects where you can turn around and get some right in the eye. So anytime you're going up in a ceiling tile, for sure, glasses. When you're drilling with dust, you want to talk about that?
Yeah, whenever you're drilling with dust, cutting a hole for a pot light with a hole saw, even cutting wood. You can get, believe it or not, with a sawzall, you can get wood fibers in your eyes.
Wood chips, they're not fun either,
yeah. Usually, and even a sander too, there's enough fine dust in the air. I definitely say if you're sanding any wood or any metal.
Yeah, eye protection.
Yeah.
With gasket, yeah.
For sure, yeah. So this is the face shield. It's also the double coverage. It's for when you're grinding, a lot of sparks. Anywhere you want double protection, just run your risk low of getting anything in your eyes.
It also protects your whole face. It doesn't just protect your eyes. You have your double protection for your eyes, but it covers your nose and cheeks, so sparks could be flying.
Pieces of metal,
ricochet. This is just for an example. This is more of a colder one, but the ones you would see for construction are have much more strength and integrity than these. Much more solid. So make sure you have the properly rated shield for sure for the type of job you're doing. Don't just because if you use the wrong type of PPE in certain cases, it could go the other way, in a negative effect. It could melt your face if it's not right. You know what I mean? You don't want to risk using that stuff that's not proper or not rated for that type of work.
It cause more harm than good.
That's right. Type of face shield to use for entering wide panels, for example. That's more of an arc flash rated type of shield. Where it's meant for that great big charge of energy if it ever came upon. So make sure you always got the right type of PPE for that type of job you're doing. Protect yourself. You only have one set of everything. If you screw something up, it could be long-term effects. And never just guess or assume. Always be educated on anything you do that can cause risk to life or injury. So very important.